So joining words are called conjunctions. Okay, conjunctions like words like and, but, or, they may be used to join two sentences or even two words or two phrases. Okay, those are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are of two types: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions which join two sentences of equal rank. What does it mean?
With join two sentences of equal rank.
Equal rank, like be just and fear not. So here, see this sentence: be just and fear not. So this is a sentence of equal rank. There are two main clauses are here. Okay, and is used in between. Be just and fear not. So and is your conjunction. Okay. Other examples of coordinating conjunctions are but, or, both, as well as, no less than, otherwise, as, else, still, nevertheless, whereas, while, only, therefore, so, consequently. Okay. And subordinating conjunctions are the words which join two sentences of unequal rank. Okay, for example, that, if, how, before, until, while, although, though, however, lest, since, all these are subordinating conjunctions. Okay, unequal rank means one is principal clause and another one is two sentences. One is independent sentence, other one is independent sentence. Dependent sentences depending on independent one. For example, children find that children find their books, their toys while playing. Now see here, children find their toys means this is a independent sentence. It is making its own sense. While is your conjunction and playing is dependent on this sentence. Okay, so this is a smaller one. There can be a sentences which are bigger than this. Okay, so these are all subordinating conjunctions. I am repeating, joining words are called conjunctions. They may join two sentences, two words, two phrases. Okay, then there are two types of conjunctions: coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions which join two sentences of equal rank. I've given one example: be just and fear not. And other examples are and, but, or, both, and, no less than, otherwise, as, still. Okay, therefore, consequently, whereas. Subordinating conjunctions which join two sentences of unequal rank. For example, if, how, before, until, while, although, though, all these are subordinating conjunctions. Now there is one more kind. Okay, when conjunctions are used in pair, जब हम उसे pair में use करते हैं, we call them correlative conjunctions. For example, either or, neither nor, though yet, both and, such as, such that, so, as so. Then we have some more types like no sooner than. I'll be giving examples of correlative conjunctions. No sooner is always followed by than. Okay. Hardly is always followed by when. Hardly के साथ ज्यादातर than लगता है, वो आपको याद रखना है. Which is followed by when. Okay. So you have to remember these things. I'll give you some examples of correlative conjunctions जो pair में use होता है. For example, let's take an example of either or. if I say either my friends or my cousins or my cousin, will participate. या तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे या मेरा कजन करेगा. ओके, सो आइदर इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय और, ये याद रखना है. एंड if I remind you in subject verb agreement, I told you one thing that जैसे in either or and in neither or there are two subjects. Can do you know what are subjects? इसमें subject क्या है इस line में? Can you tell me? Either my friends or my cousins will participate. I'm asking can.
Ma'am, or
No बेटा, either or is your conjunction. Subject वो होता है जिसके बारे में बात हो रही होती है. So here two subjects are my friends and my cousin. In such sentences where we use either or, neither nor, the verb should always be according to the second subject. Okay? क्या मतलब हुआ? अगर मैं यहाँ लगाऊं is going to participate होना चाहिए या are going to participate होना चाहिए? I am telling you two things today in this class. क्या होना चाहिए? क्या? मैंने ये बताया कि either or, neither or में दो सब्जेक्ट होते हैं, my friends और my cousin. These are the two subjects. Okay? Verb should be according to second subject. Second subject कौन सा हुआ? ज्ञान. My friend or my cousin?
ma'am, my cousin.
Obviously my cousin. तो my cousin singular है कि plural है?
Ma'am, singular.
So what it should be? Is or are? Obviously is. Okay? Is it clear? Kyan?
Yes, ma'am.
और अभी अभी we are talking about conjunction. So here conjunction is correlative conjunction. Either and or are correlative conjunctions. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? Okay? Same is the case of neither nor. Either or means या ये या वो. Neither or means ना ये ना वो. Okay? Then though or yet. Though and although can be used together. Means can be used in place of each other. Though और although का एक ही meaning होता है. Though I worked hard, and though is always followed by yet. Though I worked hard, still not fear or fail. Though I worked hard, yet failed. Is it clear? Though is followed by yet. Is it clear to all? Anvi, Kyan, Pavni,
Yes,
Vandita, Daksh, Arnav. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Yes, ma'am.
Another example. Okay, let's move on. Both and. Both और and का क्या होता है? Both is always followed by and. Both Pavni and
Both are parents.
Vandita. Both is followed by and. Vandita will come to my house.
Bed.
See here, both is followed by and. Clear? Both. These are the easier ones. You might be knowing it. And there are certain other things which you might not. So be very attentive in my class. Another example. Let me give you an example of as. He is intelligent as his brother. क्या मतलब हुआ कि वो उतना ही इंटेलिजेंट है जितना कि उसका ब्रदर है. ओके अगर हम कहें वो उतना इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है जितना उसका ब्रदर है तो क्या होगा? ही इज नॉट सो. In case of not, we put so. Intelligent as his brother. Is it clear? पहले सेंटेंस में है कि वो उतना ही इंटेलिजेंट है जितना कि उसका ब्रदर है. सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज नॉट सो इंटेलिजेंट एज हिज ब्रदर. उतना नहीं है जितना कि उसका भाई है. थोड़ा है बट नॉट दैट मच. डिफरेंस क्लियर हुआ दोनों सेंटेंसेस में? और नॉट लगेगा तो वी विल पुट सो, नॉट एज. ओके next one. Now these are the ones in which you may face problems. Listen to me very carefully. No sooner is always followed by than. जब भी no sooner लगाएंगे तो than लगेगा. In English with no sooner we use this than THAN वाला, और with comparison जहाँ comparative degree होता है वहाँ हम THAN वाला than यूज करते हैं. Other than that we always use THAN वाला then. Okay, there is a difference between than and then. क्यों? अब ध्यान से सुनना है. इसका मतलब होता है no sooner did I close the door then the bell rang. अभी मैंने दरवाजा बंद भी नहीं किया था कि घंटी बज गई. ओके तो जो काम हो चुका होता है जनरली उसके लिए अभी अभी हुआ होता है, इसलिए हम इसके साथ did लगाते हैं. no sooner did लगेगा तो वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगेगी. did I close the door then the bell rang. अभी मैंने दरवाजा बंद भी नहीं किया था कि घंटी बज गई. See here with did I have used close because with did we always use first form of verb, and in second case I have written use V2 forms ring rang rung क्योंकि simple past है. ठीक है सबको than और then का डिफरेंस पता चल गया. I repeat, like with no sooner we use THAN than, and with comparative degree of adjectives or adverbs we use than. जैसे कि better than, older than, smaller than, और बाकी हर जगह पर then use होता है. ओके और no sooner के साथ हमने did लगाया क्योंकि वो ऐसा एक्शन है which has already happened. No sooner did I close the door then the bell rang. ओके सेम मीनिंग होता है hardly वाले का. Hardly is always followed by had, sorry when. Okay इसका भी मतलब यही होता है कि hardly had I closed the door when the bell rang. अभी मैंने दरवाजा बंद ही नहीं किया था कि घंटी बज गई. कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं आप. और hardly के साथ had लगता है. ओके जनरली when I अब क्योंकि had है तो V3 फॉर्म ही यूज होगी. close the door when the bell rang. Is it clear to everybody? Ab I am going to give you one exercise to do. Okay, you have to. Can you see this conjunction exercise? Have you taken down those things which I was telling you? Have you taken down all these things?
Yes, ma'am. I'm taking
I'm giving you
screenshot.
5 minutes to take down all this stuff. Okay. If something is not clear, you can ask me.
Ma'am, what is subcoordinating conjunctions?
Subcoordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions